you're gonna come with me to get my own basil and cilantro that I've been growing in my house.
I love my garden because you really taste the difference in these super fresh ingredients.
Okay. I'm gonna make a Pepita, pine nut, and Habanero pesto. So I need 3 cups of basil and 1 of cilantro for this pesto. So I'm using 1 cup of sweet basil, also about a cup of the purple basil, and the mammoth basil. Look at the size of these leaves. This is insane. I'm adding about a cup of cilantro and 1 habanero. You know what? I can just remove the stem like this. Just cutting it just to help my food processor, but it goes in the processor with the seeds and everything. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of slightly toasted pumpkin seed, 1/3 of a cup of slightly toasted pine nuts, 2 garlic cloves that I already peeled, 1 cup of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I'm using Reggiano, Parmesano, but you can use cotija. Anything salty and aged will be good here. And then I'm just gonna process until almost smooth because I want my pesto to have texture. Here we go. That looks really good. This is awesome. Let me taste. This is so good. This pesto is ridiculously delicious, and I'm gonna put it over some fresh rockfish. This pesto is a thing that you can make, keep in your fridge, and hopefully if you make it, make a big batch. But you can also spoon this pesto on top of baked or boiled potatoes, or just on a piece of toast with a little bit of olive oil or butter or any kind of batch. Now I have my oven at 400 degrees. I'm gonna put my fish in there and it's gonna cook anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, and depending on the thickness of the fish, how long it's gonna be, but you know the fish is ready when you insert a fork and the fish is flaky. Fish covered in pesto is ready. Yum. So beautiful. It has all the green colors from the pesto. Come with me as we go into the fish. It is super herby packed because of all that basil and cilantro, and I taste the pepitas and the pine nuts that are nutty but sweet, and it's not spicy at all, even though it has the habanero.
I'm making this pesto all the time, now that I can grow herbs in my kitchen all year with Gardyn.